everyone. So I'm very excited because I have a haul from BoxyCharm from their pop-up sale that just arrived today, and I've been waiting all day to open it with everyone, and we're just gonna jump right in. If you don't already know, I have 3 cats. There seems to be a lot of packing. So if you hear noises, they may be messing around with some of this packing materials as I'm opening these things. Just ignore it. So let's see what we have. Oh man. So this box is huge. Like, and they put so much packing in there. Like, look at all of the packing that I just took out on the floor. Like, that's insane. That's insane. But here we go. Let's keep going. So I've got this Saturday Skin Waterfall Gel Cream Moisturizer, which I love. I go through tubs of this all the time. I first discovered it through BoxyCharm, so whenever they have it on an add-on or a pop-up sale, I always snag. I got the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I really love this eye treatment because it's very lightweight, and I can use it underneath my eyes before I do my makeup or at the end of the night because it absorbs quickly, and it's actually a really great base for your concealer as well. I also got some new things because I love trying new stuff, especially during the pop-up sale, because things are much more affordable than they would if they were full price. And I've been wanting to try something with retinol in it. I do have sensitive skin, I do have eczema, so I have been apprehensive of doing that. However, pop-up sale, I got this Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. I am in my mid-30s. I'm in my mid-30s, so I want to start using some more. I told you with the cardboard and the packaging. But anyways, so I want to use some more retinol-based products to help start prevent the fine lines and whatnot from aging, because I'm in my mid-30s and I want to look my best for as long as I can. And as I get older, I will get more fine lines, and I'm okay with that, but still gonna try the eye cream. This is not a new product, but a new scent. I love, absolutely love these Spongelle body buffers. If you haven't seen these before, it's a sponge that has the body wash built into the sponge. This one's supposed to be Honey Blossom. Not sure what a Honey Blossom smells like, but it does smell good. But they typically last me about 2 weeks, and then I either throw it away. Well, no, I throw it away because, you know, after 2 weeks, that's when you're supposed to replace them sanitarily. But I really love these. They feel like they exfoliate my skin really well, and as someone who has itchy skin, that like scrubbing with the sponge when my skin's having an itchy moment feels really good. Some other new things. I have never ever used a liquid blush before, and love all of the blush products that I have, but since I've never used the liquid, I was afraid to, you know, spend full price on one in case I didn't like it. I've heard amazing things about the M Cosmetics liquid blushes, so of course I went ahead and picked up one of those. This one is in Venetian Rose. So I'm very excited to use that. I typically use a lip exfoliator. I wear a mask at work all the time, so my lips, you know, they get dry, cracked, they peel. I do the whole moisturizing and exfoliating thing as much as I can. So I wanted to try a new lip scrub, and since it's my birthday month, I got this birthday cake flavored lip scrub from NCLA Beauty. I know a lot of people were kind of disappointed in the Haus Labs launch from Lady Gaga. I, however, absolutely love the Glam Attack, what are these called exactly? The Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. They're liquid eyeshadows, but they are so good, so gorgeous. Like the shimmer, the way they lay, the formula, how it spreads so evenly, and the way it blends. I just adore them. So I picked up a whole bunch of colors. One is a replacement of one that I had that was dried out, and that is Rose Bitch. So that one's a replacement of one I, again, was dried out. And then I picked up Flash, Legend, Angel Baby, and Rye. I know a lot of people were disappointed with this launch, but I mean, these are just really gorgeous. Like, if you haven't tried anything from the Haus Labs, if you only try one thing, these Glam Attack liquid shimmer powders, you know, these are the one thing you definitely should try. I just did my nails, so I'm trying really hard, like, not to mess up the packaging or mess up my nails opening the packaging. I love leopard. Jessa Jaguar, hello! So I did these leopard nails. So all of these beauties, which I will put in another video swatching them. Last thing that I'm super excited about is this massage gun. Because as you all know, I do very much enjoy working out and being active. You know how much I love pole dancing. Always wanted to try one of these. The brand that I had originally heard of, Theragun, is kind of expensive. This one was also kind of expensive, but, you know, again, the BoxyCharm PopUp Sale made it a little bit more affordable for me. So I think this ended up being like $45 for this with all the attachments versus the original like $200. And I am very excited about this guy. So that is everything from my BoxyCharm pop-up haul. And I will follow up with you all on this new stuff that I got. Do you want a dedicated video about this? Have you anyone used these before? Leave a comment down below if you have used one of these before, if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, or if you'd like a dedicated video talking about this and how to use it. Let me know. But I hope you enjoyed going on this haul with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know what to do. Bye.